Come to the show of Winrest Sidekick production number 8. In this production, I am going to show you the pole display installations and installations of Winrest and also installations of Easy Power software. We already installed PL2303 and it's created the COM port number 7. It's very easy to install. Let me show you here. So here is the software we have, and here is the PL23, and here we have installation. And when we do it, it's going to load it, and then right now I can remove it, repair it, or modify it, and if I can go next, it will be done in a matter of a minute. So I just want to cancel it because I have already installed the software in the machine. So this PL2303, this display is already installed in the register. The next thing I am going to show you the Winrest. Okay, it's a very easy to install Winrest in this machine. So Winrest is also already installed in the machine and it's easy to install. Take just a few minutes. But right now in a Winrest you will see there is no data. It's all clear, just a picture. So I like to import information. So I go here, go to the sheets. Okay, there's nothing, so I just put anything and I save it. Then I go to the sheet and I import. So I have here, and in this thing I have lots of other machines, restaurants. So I choose one of them and I take, for example, Dan's Coney Island, or I can take Breadbasket. I can take any one of them. I just click that one and I says open. It's going to import 2200 items are imported. Now it's going to reload it. And once it is reloaded, you can see the whole menus are here. And these menus are not just the menu, but these menus are with the modifiers and everything. So for example, if I go to omelette, I select Greek omelette. It's going to ask me what kind of a bread I need. Then it's going to ask me the extra I need, and then I ask me no lettuce or substitute, and it is done. Now you will see still the things are not showing in this screen because this thing is not installed. So let's do the installation. I cancel it with a one click. I go here, options, this thing, add, and this is COM port 7 and Epson emulation. Okay, so I exit from here, restart Winrest, and when we restart the Winrest, we will be able to show a welcome screen. As you can see, welcome to Winrest. That's simple, like ABC. I go back here and I go onion ring fries, the size I have. Okay, I can have a starter, I can have a soup, Caesar salad, and they will ask me a different options. There's the modifiers. So we can have these, then have a drinks, we can have a coffee, hot tea, or whatever it is. You can see as it is showing up here, it's also showing up on this screen. Now I pay cash for 40 bucks, $40, as you can see, $40 here. So I pay cash. Okay, it's asking for the printer, and you see $40 here, and same thing you see here, and it is done. Now I take you to another software, and I will show you how easy that software is also to install. And this is we'll call WinRest. Now this is called Easy Power. Very easy. Just a click, create icons. Next, finish. Okay. Now here is asking for the tax. So I put a 6% tax. I says okay. I go to fast service where those do not require anything else. I go here. Now in a setting, if I go here, you see there is no product. So I go here, product control, and I say here, import products, open, and I am going to take Coney King. I will take this one, the latest one when this is done here. Okay, so I take this product and I says open, I says import. It's going to import the product, and 357 items are imported. As soon as I go here, you can see all the products are here. So I see here, I cash it out, but to see the display is not showing anything. So what I do here, I exit this one, close, I go to the setting, I go to the general setting. First I do bold letter, Arial black, and I say show navigation, show this, show print one item at a time. So this is good. Then I go to setting, printer and equipment. You see here it says bold display none. So I go Epson again and select the COM port 7 and select the 2-line display. All right. So I go OK. As soon as you see it says thank you. That's that the message is displayed from the Easy Power. So now I go to the sandwiches. I have a BLT sandwich, ham sandwich, grilled ham and cheese, fish dog. I go to the breakfast side. Whatever I ring, it's ring there. Now I go to cash it out and give me several options. The bill is $28.34, the same thing showing here, but now the customer give me $30 and it will show the change. Now this whole thing take less than 10 minutes, and within the 10 minutes I have shown you 2 software, 2 menus install, and at the same time I showed you how to install the poll display. Imagine, do you have any product or POS software can be installed that fast and super? Thank you very much for watching WinRest Sidekick production number 8 and the Easy Power software installation. Thanks.